In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on your Trello application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to give it a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up Trello, and you can see what my font size is currently set to. I haven't logged in or signed up. This is just to see what the font size is. Now, in order to make it larger and easier to read, what we can do is head back and then click into Settings. Once you're inside Settings, navigate lower and tap into Display. And again, once in Display, navigate lower and click into Font Size and Style. And at the bottom of the page, you will see a slider under where it says Font Size. If I move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size. And likewise, if I move it to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So I suggest keeping it near the right-hand side of the page here. And you can have a play around with it and choose what particular size you want your font to be. Once you're happy with your decision, head back over to Trello, and your font size should be increased according